Nosy 30 guys, let's get it. It's not really nosy. This is my stall. This is one I'm doing. Guys, let me tell you what I'm stuck on this car, on this truck. This is the 1500 that we sold all this stuff on. They bought a drain and refill, and yes, y'all can see this is an 8-speed rear wheel drive ZF version transmission. Okay, and y'all know my thoughts on servicing this transmission. Okay, it has become simple. If it's under warranty, don't do it. Simple as that. If it's not, then you're on your own as far as trying to maintain and prolong the life of your own transmission. Okay, so they sold a transmission drain and refill, not a flush. And good thing for this one, there is a drain plug. Okay, I got a drain plug removed, all the fluid out. Well, as much would come out. Turned out a gallon came out because I captured the amount of fluid that came out. All right, that's a good strategy you can utilize, guys. You know pretty much how much to go in with, and based on that, you can assume because there's no transmission leak that it was still feel from the factory since day one. Can you assume that with a vehicle with 100,000 miles? Yes and no. Yes, I mean I would, but I'm gonna go through the proper refill procedures anyway. Okay, it's fairly simple, guys. Start the car up and run it, let it idle, and then fill it up till it come out. Put in second gear. I can't memorize it by heart, guys. I have yet to upload that video that I did on it, but I should end up going back in with a gallon, same amount I'd taken out if it was properly filled. All right, so we'll go for that for now. All right, but yeah, I even got the drain plug removed, and I have nothing, not the machine that we use to pump fluid out of the containers into this is down. All right, so I'm about to head to Harbor Freights, and not Harbor Freights, Northern, and see if they got some kind of, because I don't want to be sitting here with bottles, and I'm sure I'm gonna need that tool again anyway. All right, so that's where I'm headed. This is stuck. It's not going tonight anyway, so this is the last hurdle I have. I've done all the brakes. Look at that good. I actually had to resurface these rotors, guys. The tune up, the diff service. As I told y'all before, the diff service was fairly easy because they actually gave me a drain plug. All right, and I went back in with the proper amount of fluid. Rear brake job, went in with new pads. I did have to use the anti-rattle clips, guys. If it's equipped with it, go ahead and use it. I mean, I do. I've also used anti-rattle clips, so it's not gonna, it's nothing to be extra serious cautious about. But all right, that's over here. Let's go over here to my buddy style. They got some more fun stuff going on, I can imagine. Oh, what is going on here? What is this? Uh-oh, I see a big A on there. Does that stand for Acura? Hey, he doing a timing belt, guys. Water pump. Doing a water pump. Yes, obviously the water pump rides on the timing belt. Okay, see, they pretty much all the same, guys. It's just a matter of what you have to remove in order to gain access to it. So don't be fearful if you've never done one. The thinking and the theory is all the same. You see how you got the marks, got the timing. You just take your necessary precautions that you would typically do on any car and go for it. All right, I had to break out of that myself. It was one point in time in my life, strictly only Chrysler, Plymouth, Jeep, Dodge. Just it. A car is a car is a car, guys. But when it comes to diagnostic, that's where it differentiates. Okay, yes, I might have a hard time comprehending what a certain code means. They don't have to go read, and it would take a while. And my scan tool might not even pick up. I mean, P codes are generic, so they're going to be read by any scan reader, but specific stuff I'd be wanting to see, and if I can't see it, I'm totally lost as far as proceeding with the diagnosis. But yes, it's no much different than this is like our 3 liters. Oh, in fact, the 3.5s and the 4 liters that you used to put in the Pacifica and the Caravan. Same thing, guys. So the water pump rides off the timing belt, so you gotta get the timing belt out the way. I'm sure he's gonna go in and with a new one. He likely had a coolant leak. All right, so let me make sure that A stands for Acura, guys. I'm not sure, and I want look at the color of the fluid. All right, so yes, they use a special fluid that you want to go back in with. Always go back in with the proper with the proper amount as well as the proper kind of fluid. Okay, little things you will have to remember. I mean, it's gonna fall back together like a puzzle, like any car that you disassemble. Okay, after doing so many, it starts stick with you where stuff, but go back. Okay, but some guys will take pictures of it with the invention of the cell phone that will allow you to take video as well as photo. Okay, so yes, that's what he got going on over here. Now let's go just a block. Whoa, look at that. Look at the pretty guys. Look at this. What is painted? Is the caliber painted? Not sure what's going on here. Part of the rotor's painted. The caliber, I don't know. I don't want to. Y'all know I can't put customer cars on video, but we is about to look at this, guys. Y'all see this? By the way, this is a Charger. You can see right here with a Pentastar 3.6. I want to say Gen 2, depending on the year of the car. I don't know what year this is. 2017. This could be considered a Gen 2. Take a look at this. What do y'all see? Cold air intake. Remember the last video I did? Watch this video right here and read some of the comments, because a lot of guys was giving me their input on the advantage. My question was, what's the advantage of this intake setup? Now, but that question was directed toward that Hellcat engine, and my question was simply, was this cold K&N, it was a K&N kit, did that cold air intake enhance the performance of an already enhanced setup? Okay, keep in mind that Hellcat engine is equipped with I can't think of the proper terminology, but it has a setup in there that would bring in cool air. So did that customer essentially waste money, or did they go for the appearance? Because guys, I gotta admit, it looks cool. It looks real cool. In fact, that car's still in the shop. That's the one that's getting all the suspension work. But did they get their money's worth? Did they increase their horsepower by, I don't know, a certain amount because of it? All right, it's hard to say. But my point is, guys, Mopar makes this kit too, not just K&N. So I'm rooting for Mopar. I have a lot invested in Mopar, OEM, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, things like that. So if you ask me which one would you get, best believe I'm gonna tell you the which begs the question, if they figured the customer was gonna do this, why didn't they have it automatically equipped? Things that make you go because you know Mopar can make money as well. If they didn't, then K&N, the company, would be soaking up all that revenue stream of people thinking they need this intake system, cold air intake, whatever system it is. So Mopar figured they can get in on the action too. All right, guys, I have used up my whole complete 8 to 10 minutes on it was just 3 vehicles. So guys, I'm sorry. I will make sure I get you some more nosy 30 footage, guys. All right, but for now, they shutting down, the lights going out, so I gotta get out of here, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.